Backhoe Loader Man JCB 4CX, digging with the rear arm and loading with the front bucket, ideal for tight spaces. Bulldozer Man Komatsu D155AX, pushes large amounts of earth or debris and levels construction areas. Compactor Man Bomag BW120, compresses soil and sand to stabilize the ground during construction. Crane Truck Man Liebherr LTM 1070, lifts and moves heavy construction materials to elevated areas. Crawler Crane Man Komatsu PC 210, lifts heavy loads and operates efficiently on uneven ground. Dump Truck Man TGS Construction, transports sand, rocks, and soil between different areas of the construction site. Excavator Man Cat 320D, used for digging soil, sand, or mud, and moving heavy materials with powerful hydraulic arms. Forklift Man Linda H30D, moves pallets and small construction materials within work zones. Fuel Truck Man TGX Fuel Service, supplies fuel to heavy machinery and equipment on site. Motor Grader Man Caterpillar 140M, levels and smooths the ground surface, shaping roads and foundations. Articulated Hauler Man Volvo A40G, a heavy-duty dump truck designed to carry loads over rough or muddy terrain. Wheel Loader Man Volvo L350H, loads sand, gravel, or soil into dump trucks or other transport vehicles. Lowboy Trailer Man TGX Heavy Hauler, transports heavy equipment such as excavators and bulldozers between project locations. Concrete Mixer Truck Man TGS Molen, mixes and transports fresh concrete to construction sites with a rotating drum. Asphalt Paver Man Vogel Super 1800-3i, spreads and levels hot asphalt evenly before compaction. Road Roller Man Ham HD12, compacts soil, gravel, or asphalt to create a stable and even surface. Skid Steer Loader Man Bobcat S750, a compact and agile loader for small or confined construction spaces. Telehandler Man JCB 540, a telescopic forklift that can lift and reach materials in high or distant areas. Tower Crane, used on high-rise projects to lift materials vertically and rotate 360 degrees. Water Tank Truck Man TGS, sprays water to control dust and aid soil compaction.